When I started investing, I made a lot of mistakes. I lost money, wasted time, and ignored simple truths. If I could go back, here's what I wish someone told me. First, start early. Not when you're rich. Not when you're older. Even $10 today is worth more than $100 tomorrow. Why? Because of compound growth. Time is the most powerful multiplier in investing. I thought I'd double my money fast. Spoiler, I didn't. Real investing is slow and steady. It's not about gambling or chasing hype. It's about letting your money grow, bit by bit. I spent hours trying to pick the perfect stock. Turns out, most professionals don't beat the market. If I could go back, I'd buy index funds or ETFs and keep it simple. When the market dropped, I panicked and sold. Big mistake. Investing is emotional, but you must stay calm. Buy consistently. Hold long-term. Tune out the noise. The best decision I ever made? Setting up automatic weekly investments. It removes emotions, builds discipline, and grows your wealth without thinking. I wish I knew that investing isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Starting small, starting now, and never stopping. If this helped you skip some mistakes I made, subscribe for more simple investing tips. Your future self will thank you.